In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video from Google Drive. Whether you're working on a project for school, remembering a cherished memory, or saving a professional presentation, downloading videos directly from Google Drive is an essential skill that can simplify your digital life. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Google Drive is a handy cloud-based storage solution provided by Google, accessible with your Google account. Once you're on the main page, make sure you're logged in. If you see your account photo or initial in the top right corner, you're good to go. Otherwise, click the sign in button and enter your account details. Next, you'll need to locate the video that you wish to download. You can browse through your files if you know exactly where it is, or you might use the search bar at the top of the page for a quicker approach. The search bar is particularly useful if you have a lot of files stored. Simply type in the name of the video and it should show up in the results. Once you've found your video, hover your mouse over the file. You should see a small preview of the file name and a list of options. Now, right-click on the video. Right-clicking will bring up a menu of actions you can perform. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this. It's essentially the same as a quick access menu that gives you various options like sharing, getting a link, or accessing additional details about the file. From that menu, you will want to select the option that says download. Clicking this will initiate the downloading process. Google Drive will start to prepare your video before the download begins. You might see a brief flash of a window preparing your download. This step ensures your file is ready to be transferred correctly to your device. Finally, as the preparation completes, the download should automatically start. Depending on the size of the video and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. The video will download directly to your computer, and by default it should end up in your downloads folder. If you have custom settings for downloads, it could save somewhere else, but the downloads folder is the most common location. Once the download finishes, you'll be able to open the file and watch your video offline at any time. And that's it. You now know how to download a video from Google Drive. This process allows you to have easy offline access to your important videos whenever you need it, without requiring an active internet connection. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful videos to enhance your digital skills.